Curious about a career in IT but don't know where to start? Ascend Education's CompTIA IT Fundamentals Plus course is the perfect stepping stone. Whether you're new to tech or looking to build a solid foundation, this course will set you up for success. Ascend Education's IT Fundamentals Plus course covers everything you need to build confidence in IT, whether you're a student stepping into the tech world, a professional looking to enhance your knowledge, or an instructor searching for the best resources to teach foundational IT skills. Covering topics like computer hardware, software, cybersecurity, and databases, our curriculum is designed to prepare both learners and educators for real-world applications and certification success. Understanding IT concepts is important, but practicing them is what truly builds expertise. Our interactive virtual labs allow you to work with real-world scenarios, troubleshoot systems, and apply what you learn in a practical setting. No passive learning here, just real skills for real careers. We know life is busy. That's why our IT Fundamentals Plus course is self-paced and available 24/7. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or someone exploring a new career, Ascend Education lets you learn anytime, anywhere. Here's what you get with our IT Fundamentals Plus course. Engaging video lessons led by IT experts with years of industry experience. Interactive text-based content that breaks down complex concepts. Hands-on virtual labs that reinforce your learning through real practice. Practice exams and quizzes to make sure you're fully prepared for test day. Why choose Ascend Education? Because we're more than just a course provider, we're your learning partner. For students and professionals, our IT Fundamentals Plus course provides a structured hands-on learning experience that builds real-world skills. And for instructors, we offer comprehensive teaching resources, including virtual labs, customizable dashboards, and pre-built assessments. Whether you're learning or teaching, Ascend Education equips you with everything needed to build and apply essential IT knowledge. Still wondering if IT Fundamentals Plus is right for you? Here's why you should consider it. It's the best introduction to the world of IT. It builds foundational knowledge to prepare you for advanced IT certifications. It helps you explore different career paths in tech. It's trusted by educators and employers alike as a solid first step into IT. Your IT journey starts here. Enroll in Ascend Education's IT Fundamentals Plus course today and build the skills that open doors to a future in technology. Let's make your tech career a reality.